Hey everybody, Al here. I'm with Steve and Gloria. I finally caught up to the owners of the 67 GTO, the red one, that I commented on in one of my other videos. How's it going, Steve? Nice car.
Thank you. It's going real good. I guess we're hard to catch up with.
Yeah. Well, I love the car. I really do.
Thank you. I put it together in 2001. My son and I did, and it was still kind of a work in progress. And it's got a 461 stroker motor in it.
Oh, well, that's a surprise.
And it's the original engine, but we had it stroked. And it's got an Edelbrock aluminum high rise. And it's got Edelbrock heads on it, aluminum.
Okay.
It's got 350 torque converter.
3500 like?
Yeah, 3500 okay. Torque converter.
Okay.
And it was painted 20 years ago. It's about getting ready for a repaint job, but it still looks good.
Well, I'll tell you, the thing I noticed about it was the paint. The color is just incredible. Really, I love it.
I believe it's a regal red. I'm not going to swear to that, but I think that's what it is.
Well, it's awesome. What do you say we take a look at it?
Sure.
Awesome. Yeah, man. That is an absolutely beautiful car. That red paint and that chrome with the headlights, you know, one above the other like that, with the way Pontiac did that grille with the GTO and the fog lights in there. I just absolutely love the styling of this car.
Yeah, I like it too. And I like the rear lights, the rear end of it especially too.
Yeah. 67 GTO. I knew a kid in high school who had a white one, and I mean, everybody loved that car. That car was one of the ones that everybody died for. I mean, it's all stock, right? At least in its appearance.
Everything's stock except for the engine, but the engine just made machine.
So it's a stunner if you don't listen to it, because I heard you pulling it, and this thing is popping. Yeah. So you've done the restoration on this car?
Yes. Yeah.
And so
my son and I have been at it for 20 years.
Well, I'd say there's a whole lot of love in this car.
I can't get rid of it. My son promised me if I sold it, we want to be friends anymore.
Yeah, there's the taillights.
Yeah.
We got a little bit of glare here today, but we'll do the best we can.
And my wife has a 68 Firebird with the exact same taillights.
I've always been partial to the Pontiacs. The Pontiac was my first car, and I just can't shake it. You know, when I see one, it's just the love is there.
I saw them when I was 17 years old. I saw one of these. It was brand new, and I always wanted one.
Yeah, really, really nice. I mean, Pontiac was the company that didn't build a cheap car. They didn't want to build a cheap car. They built a nice car. And it shows. There's chrome across the bottom of the door. There's chrome around the windows and the door. And it just looks so nice. Love the pinstriping. White leather tires.
The pinstriping, that's stock. That's what they came with.
Oh, no kidding.
I didn't add that. That's what it came with.
Wow. So you've got this billboard here.
Yep. This is our billboard. It shows us when we started, when we finished, all the work we did. It's got disc brakes on it.
Oh, I see.
We did the whole front end.
Yeah, all the work in the interior. See the engine up on the engine stand. See the completed car down there. Yeah, I love this. I mean, the history is just documented so well. Really nice. Hey, what do you say we look under the hood?
Stick rock.
Yeah, lots of chrome. So this is the basically the stock engine that's been bored.
That's the motor. Yeah, the motor came in it. We took it out, had a machine. That was a stroker. Only thing about all that chrome is it makes it run hot.
See, you've got aluminum heads on it. That should help the cooling just a bit.
Yeah, they'll approximate. They help it cool down, I guess.
And also help it run real good.
Yes, it do.
So, no air conditioning.
No air conditioning. Best air conditioning is you got to roll the windows down.
Yep.
And then we got back here. I have a fan, cool the engine down.
Okay.
Got 2 fans in it.
Hey, what do you say we fire it up?
Okay.
Let's do it. Hey guys, nice car.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. We enjoy being here at Merchants Crossing. We appreciate your taking time to look at our car.
Hi.
We'd like to see it on COYOTECARGUY.com.
Awesome. Okay guys, nice car. Have a great day.
Thank you very much.
Coyote Car Guy over and out.
Well, I have to say I really enjoyed doing that video. I've been chasing down Steve and Gloria for the past couple of weeks like the paparazzi. I caught a view of that car, a couple of the shows. It's in some of my other videos, and it really is a nice car. The Pontiac GTO is what started this whole thing. 64 GTO. They say that that was the very first muscle car. My first car was a 69 GTO, a red 69. And you know, it's just one of those things. It's in me. Every time I see a GTO, something magical happens. They just appeal to me. I hope all you guys like it too. So having a really good time with this channel, getting all this content, bringing it to all you people out there in YouTube land. I've had some subscribers come on board. Thank you very much. And if you are thinking about subscribing, please do. There's always more content to come. You won't be disappointed. So that's about it for today's post, folks. Until next time, when we see you out at the shows. Take care.